Today, we're unpacking a question that many of you have asked. What exactly does life insurance cover? Whether you're considering buying a policy or just curious about how it works, understanding what life insurance covers is crucial to making informed decisions. Life insurance might seem complex, but can help provide security for families to help with the unknown if something were to happen to you. At its core, life insurance is designed to provide a payout, known as a death benefit, when someone passes away. This is the primary coverage life insurance offers. It's meant to replace lost income and help cover life expenses for your dependents, like rent or mortgage payments, pay off personal or household debts, and handle funeral and other final expenses, which can be surprisingly costly. These are the essentials that most policies cover, ensuring that your family's immediate financial needs are met in your absence. Many policies come with, or allow you to add optional coverages, known as riders. These can include critical illness coverage, which pays out a lump sum if you're diagnosed with one of the specified critical illnesses covered under the policy. Disability rider provides a benefit amount if you become totally disabled and can't work as defined under the policy rider. Accidental death benefit offers additional coverage if death is due to an accident specified in the policy. Waiver of premium is designed to help provide financial protection if the policyholder becomes seriously ill or disabled and can no longer afford the insurance premiums. The insurance company will either cover the premiums or waive them. Life insurance policies have common exclusions you should be aware of. Knowing these exclusions is vital to avoid surprises when a claim is made. Please refer to your particular policy for details. Choosing the right coverage means understanding your own needs and the needs of those who depend on you. Consider your current debts and financial obligations, your family's ongoing living costs, and any future needs, like children's education or retirement plans for your spouse. This will help you tailor a life insurance plan that fits you and your loved ones. Thanks for joining us today as we explored what life insurance covers. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of how life insurance works and how it can help protect you and your family.